turning your company pages into lead generation pages. Hey there, my good friends. Let's continue with another high-level LinkedIn marketing strategy that will help you to secure high-quality leads right from your LinkedIn page. That is right. We are going to teach you how to turn your LinkedIn company pages into lead generation pages. Start by clicking on your profile icon while on LinkedIn's homepage and select the company page that you want to use to generate leads. Now, what we're about to show you is a series of modifications that you can make on your company pages in order to use them as pipelines to drive LinkedIn leads to your business website. Okay, let's start by clicking on the Overview tab. The first modification to make on your company page is to insert a new header image by clicking the Update Cover Image option. Now, we are not talking about a simple header image, but an image that entices your visitors to go to your website and complete an action, such as an image highlighting a discount, free trial, free content download, or webinar. Now comes the About section. Here you have to enter a compelling but brief invitation to convert that speaks directly to your potential target's needs. In fact, the most important part of your company description is in the first 2 lines, because that is how much of your description LinkedIn will show to your visitors before they have to click on See More to continue reading it. Our recommendation is to add value, to identify the target audience, and to add a service proposition value. In our example case, we are going to add value by writing Get Weekly Healthcare Product Reviews. We are going to identify the target audience by writing For the Health Industry Purchasing Executives. And we are going to add a service proposition value by writing By simply visiting our site and signing up to our newsletter. And that's it. Just make sure to keep your recent update section focused on conversion to get the information-seeking leads that don't click through to your website from your company page. This means that you have to post blog articles, links to infographics, and so on, as long as these posts lead people to your website.